Well, hi guys, Chad Nicely here, along with Martin Crumlish and Karthik Ramani. And I want to let you in on a complete marketing intelligence system that will absolutely explode your online business. Now, this is a digital solution that's going to explode your list growth, increase your ROI, and target your digital marketing like a sniper honing in on his prey. And I'm going to show you a live demonstration on this iPhone 6 here in just a minute. But first, let me tell you why we created this tool. Now, lead generation will always be key, always, as long as there are people running businesses. I'm talking about local marketing, online marketing, e-commerce, digital products, physical products, the list goes on and on. There will always be a need for the lead. You can quote me on that. However, the way that we collect that lead, well, it's always going to change. You see, there was a time when the lead capture pages were the hot new thing on the internet. So they used to convert like crazy, right? Now, we used to have a real estate company years ago. I can remember posting all these ads on Craigslist asking for a name and email in exchange for a free list of foreclosures. And would it surprise you if I told you we used to get a 90% plus opt-in rate? It's the truth. And we were doing this long before the term lead capture page was even created. But these strategies, they spread like wildfire, and eventually they're overexposed, so they stop working. But there was a bigger problem with the lead capture page strategy, and that's the simple fact that you come off intrusive and you're hungry for the lead. And we also know from experience that a lot of the time you're not even getting the real lead, which means you're not able to build a relationship with that lead, and most importantly, you're not making any profit from those leads. So a year ago, we started implementing a different strategy in our business, our client's business, and 1,500 of our launch members. And that was to implement online surveys in our marketing funnels. And the result? Well, it was spectacular. You see, our new strategy helped us connect with the customer, receive valuable information that we could then store for future marketing purposes. We showed the customer we cared, and then that little trust building exercise gives them the confidence they need to give us their real email address. Much better method, right? So it all sounds easy. And it is. As a matter of fact, Martin, the genius behind this marketing platform, is going to show you how you can set up one of these surveys in a matter of minutes. You can even deploy it to your Facebook fan page. But before we do that, let me tell you why this system works as well as it does. You see, it's not just a strategy that's given us these monster results, because we all know that surveys have been around since the beginning of the internet. Rather, it's the overall experience that the participant receives, because our surveys don't even look like surveys, because they're all animated with graphical one-click replies, beautiful custom designed graphics, video integration, and check this out. Our surveys will even talk to you. In fact, people completing the survey can tap a button and actually record an audio response to that question. Now that's amazing, right? Something we've never seen before. That's the key that makes this system so powerful. So what is it? Well, we call it Social Surveys. And it's a brand new cloud-based survey, lead generation, lead capture, and customer feedback app that is completely mobile responsive, works for regular web use on mobile, tablets, as well as being integrated with your Facebook fan pages. And I'm going to demonstrate that to you here on this iPhone 6 in just a minute. But first, let me tell you about some more groundbreaking news we have with Social Surveys. Now, those 1,500 users that we had from our soft launch gave us ideas that took this strategy to a whole new level. Ideas that, frankly, I didn't think we could build. Features that our team worked around the clock, day and night, to make happen. So I'm going to try to explain. Now, our surveys are now built with intelligent logic, which means now you can make people's email go to a different opt-in list depending on the answer they give. So if the people answer A, then they go to list A. If they answer B, then they go to list B. So now you're able to follow up with the A's about the appropriate topic and so on. So let me give you a real world example. Let's say I ask you a question. Are you interested in my coaching program? Now you have the choice to say yes or no. And if you answer yes, then based on that logic, I can then say, okay, well, what's your budget you have to spend for coaching? And I would then have 4 multiple choice items, depending on how you have it set up. And if they selected none, well, I could put them into list A, where I could redirect them to a low coaching offer. However, if they say I got $10,000 to spend, well, then I can put them into a premier email series where I'm able to follow up with them on a higher caliber level. Are you seeing how powerful that is? Now, again, this will work for any niche or marketplace, and there's a lot more to tell you. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take this iPhone and I'm going to zoom in so that you can see for yourself how powerful yet inviting our surveys make our customers and our clients feel, and I'll be back in a minute.
All right, cool. So I'm on my iPhone 6 and I'm checking out the Internet Marketing Academy mentoring application. So let's apply for the program and see what the survey does. So the first question it asked me is, what is your budget for mentoring? Well, I've got two choices. I can choose over 5,000 or under 5,000. So I'm going to choose under 5,000. How cool is that? It tells me I'm 67% of the way complete already. That's awesome. So next question is, what would you expect from under 5K mentoring? And I get to type in my answer. So I'm going to say a one-to-one meeting because we like the personal attention. Now, next question is, would you prefer one-to-one coaching or a community? Well, I'm going to choose one-to-one and click submit. And just like that, I'm 100% complete. It was fast and easy. I get to enter my name, email, and phone number and click submit, and I expect a callback. So let's hit the refresh button and see how the questions change when I do this again. Okay, so I'm going to apply for the program again. And let's say this time I'm a big spender. I want to spend over 5,000. Now the questions are different. So what would you expect for 5K mentoring? Well, I'm going to type my answer in there again. One-on-one meeting. Would you prefer one payment with a discount of 3 spread out payments or a slightly higher total price? I'm going to choose the one payment this time and see what happens. Whoa, just like that, it's complete already. So great. I can enter my name, email, and phone again, hit submit, and expect a callback. That's great.
So now tell me, have you ever seen anything as advanced as this? And it's as though we've advanced 20 years into the future. I'm sure you agree. Now, I know you're anxious to lock in your access right now, and feel free to do so. The button is right below this video. But for those of you that are tuned in to this video and they're wondering about the other features, well, let me give you a complete rundown. Okay? Social Surveys is a cloud-based app dashboard that runs on any website, and it can be embedded into WordPress, HTML, and even your Facebook fan page. And it will run via widgets, pop-up windows, exit pops. You can run it as a hosted survey and so much more. Pretty much any way you can think of using a survey, and there's a lot more you can do. It's a powerful conditional survey system. So you simply send users to different questions depending on the answers they choose. It's a fully responsive and compatible on smartphones as well as tablets. It's got the built-in business intelligence, okay? So you get the system of analytics with graphs, the charts, all the detailed response, the complete breakdown, and it's fully exportable in Excel. There's a huge number of ready-to-go survey templates for offline niches, online marketing, and so much more. And each one is designed by a pro. We've got the retargeting integration so that you can target users based on their responses, what questions they answered, and whether or not they completed the survey. There's a response-based giveaway system, so you're able to give users different bonuses and prizes based on their answers. There's survey scheduling, so you can set surveys to appear and run during the specific time frame that you choose. Perfect for giveaways and contests. And the audio survey function is really cool. So users can listen to the survey questions in several languages. And then our groundbreaking voice feedback function so that users can record audio feedback within your survey and you can listen to it on the dashboard. We've got the pop-up survey, so you can set the survey to appear in a pop-up window, and when a page loads, the user clicks a button or when they try to exit the page. We've got the built-in magic URL system to avoid the problem of the Facebook fan pages not working on mobile. We've got the autoresponder integration for Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, SendReach. This goes on and on. You can do video surveys, so you can embed videos anywhere you like as questions and so much more. And this ensures maximum engagement. Then we've got paper surveys. So with one click, you can generate a full PDF printout. All right, so now you can run the surveys offline. You can run real-world surveys to match your campaigns. This is perfect for offline clients. We've got the fully loaded question bank with 25 plus niche-specific questions so that you can create surveys in a matter of minutes. Survey branding system lets you choose the colors and add your own logo. And we've got 10 powerful question types, everything from star ratings to videos, images, votes, so much more. And there's also social sharing for Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And that's not even everything. And you're going to see that in Martin's detailed demo down below. So there you go. And the good news is that you can lock in your access to social surveys right now for a low one-time payment. And this tool is going to help you get more leads and grow your business fast using the powers of smart, intelligent surveys. And remember, your surveys can also be deployed to WordPress, HTML, and even the Facebook fan page. Now rest secure because your purchase is backed by our 100%, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So there's no risk for you. So for today only, you can lock in an exclusive 80% discount to social surveys. And just a fair warning, when the timer below this video hits 0, well, we'll be increasing the price. So lock in your access right now, and we'll see you on the inside.